everybody, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be rating these fidgets on this app that I found. So let's get started. First, I'm going to try the mesh ball. I rate this one like a 5 out of 10. I mean, it's not the best. Oh well, time to move on. Let's move on to this one. I don't really like this one. I mean, the noise is just really not satisfying or anything. So I'll rate this one a 2 out of 10. Okay, let's try this fidget cube. I think that's what you call it. If not, let me know. This sounds pretty good. And wait, I'll go here. Yeah, I like this button. I like this. You know what? I'll rate this a 8 out of 10. Really good and really fun. Let's try this one. I wonder what you do for this one. Don't really like it. Rate it like a 4 out of 10. Not really that fun. Let's try the Pop It. Oh, I like this one. I don't think there's like a quiet side for this. Let's just check. Yeah, no quiet side. I'll give this like a 9 out of 10. I really like it. Now let's move on down to the fidget pad. I'm pretty sure that's what you call it. Don't really like this one. Give it like a 6 out of 10. Okay, I'm gonna do 2 more and then there'll be a part 2 of this video. Okay, let's see this one. Okay, this one's slime. It feels like a Orby bath or whatever. No, not Orby bath. It feels like a change color. It feels like a gooey, like a soup, sort of like a disgusting soup that has like a bunch of mashed potatoes mixed in through it. Yeah, that's what it kind of looks like. I'll rate like a 7.5 out of 10. Okay, do one more. What's this one? I wonder if this is actually... Oh! I like this one. I'll give this a 9.5. It's really fun. Like, the noise isn't that calming, but it is really good. Okay, I changed my mind. I'll do one more, which will be the calculator. And then you'll have to wait for a part 2 coming up where I test the rest. I like this. I'll rate it like a 7.2. Oh well, that's all for today's video. Make sure you smash that like button if you want me to do a part 2 of testing out this fidget app. And yeah, bye!